The Business Model Canvas is a strategic management tool used for developing new business models or documenting existing ones. It's a very popular tool, and here's how to use it effectively in simple steps. 1. Gather your team. Start by assembling a team involved in your business planning process. Collaborating ensures diverse perspectives and enhances the richness of your strategy. If you are working alone, that works too. 2. Prepare your canvas. You can either use a large physical poster or an online tool designed for creating a business model canvas. The canvas is divided into 9 key segments. You will have to think about each segment. Now, once you define your business, start with the value proposition. This is the core of your business model. Define what makes your product or service unique and why customers would choose you over competitors. Consider what problems you solve and the needs you meet. 4. Define customer segments. Identify who your customers are. These are the people who will benefit from your value proposition. Think about the different groups of people or companies that your business aims to reach and serve. 5. Map out channels. Consider the ways in which your value proposition is delivered to your customer segments. These include your marketing and distribution channels. Decide how you will reach and communicate with your customers. 6. Establish customer relationships. Decide on the type of relationship you want to establish with each customer segment, whether it's personal assistance, automated services, or community support. This should align with your overall customer experience strategy. 7. Determine key activities. List the most important activities needed to make your business model work. This could include production, problem solving, platform management, etc. 8. Identify key resources. These are the assets required to create value for your customers, such as your team, capital, intellectual property, and your network. Next, outline key partnerships. Think about other companies or individuals who help your business model function. Partners can help reduce risks or provide resources you don't have internally. Step 10. Define your cost structure. List all the major costs involved in operating your business model. Understanding where the money goes will help in making informed financial decisions. Next, clarify revenue streams. Describe how your business makes money. This might include sales, subscriptions, advertising, or other methods of generating income from your value proposition. Now, what should you consider while using this canvas? Iterate and keep updating your business model. The Business Model Canvas is designed to be a dynamic tool. Update it as you validate ideas and learn from real-world experiences. Next, focus on customer needs. Always align elements of your canvas with what your customers value. This alignment is critical for creating a successful business model. And finally, while detail is important, the power of the Business Model Canvas lies in its simplicity. Avoid overcomplicating the canvas. Keep it readable and easy to understand. Using a business model canvas can significantly clarify what your business does and how it does it, facilitating a strategic outlook and helping you communicate your business model more clearly. You can find this tool at Nova for free and includes tips and guides you through the process.